Find a comfortable seated position or lay on your back. Take a couple of long, slow, deep breaths, relaxing the body. Allow your eyelids to get heavy and begin to close. Try to eliminate any pause between your inhale and exhale. Begin to follow each breath as it enters the nostrils, cooling them off, moving down your throat into your lungs, filling the lungs and lifting the belly. And follow each breath as the belly lowers. Breath leaves the lungs, brushes up against the back of your throat, and warms your nostrils on the way out. Continue to breathe this way, following each breath in and out of the body like a gentle wave. If you find the mind beginning to wander, gently guide your awareness back to your breathing. Allow a sense of peace and calm to settle into your body. Enjoying complete stillness of the body, complete focus of the mind on your breath. Start to extend your breath, lengthening your inhale and your exhale. Your exhale should be completely effortless. Your breath should be gentle and quiet. Everything in this moment is exactly how it should be. You can stay here for as long as you'd like. When you are ready to return, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement and awareness back into your physical body. Gently blink your eyes open and enjoy the rest of your day with this extreme sense of peace and calm.